In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Teams meetings to Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to create a calendar event that includes a Microsoft Teams link automatically, so your attendees can join with a single click. Start by opening Outlook and switching to your calendar. You can do this from the navigation area in Outlook. Once you're in Calendar View, you'll be ready to create a new event. It doesn't matter if you're looking at day, week, or month. This process is the same. Next, create a new event. Choose New Meeting if you plan to invite other people right away. If you prefer to start with your own time block first, you can choose New Appointment. Once you add people to it, Outlook will treat it as a meeting. Either option works for adding Teams to the event. Now, turn it into an online Teams meeting. On Windows, look at the ribbon across the top and click the Teams Meeting button. On a Mac, click Online Meeting and then choose Teams. The moment you do this, Outlook adds the Teams information into the invite. You'll see the Join Microsoft Teams Meeting link appear in the body of the message. If you don't see the Teams option, make sure you're signed in with a work or school account that uses Teams, and that Outlook is up to date. Some organizations manage this feature, so check with your admin if needed. With the Teams link in place, fill out the meeting details. Give your meeting a clear title or subject so attendees know what it's about. Set the date and time, and double-check the time zone if anyone is in a different region. In the To field, add the people you're inviting. Outlook will send them the Teams link automatically. The Location field is optional for online meetings. You can leave it as is, and Outlook will show that this is a Microsoft Teams meeting. In the message body, add any notes or an agenda so everyone knows what to expect. This is a great spot for context, discussion points, or links to supporting documents. When everything looks good, click Send. Your attendees will receive a calendar invitation by email, complete with the Teams Join link. It will also be added to their calendars and yours, so when it's time to meet, everyone can open the event and click the link to join. That's all there is to it. Quick, consistent, and reliable for scheduling online meetings directly from Outlook.